Right now it is 12:09 in the afternoon and I am gonna be heading to Kingston. Okay guys, as an update, I made it to Kingston. I'm probably gonna be a very bad vlogger. I'm just making you guys know from now. This is the Airbnb, just, you know, light footage. But what I will do is like get ready with you guys. I already started getting ready, so don't be mad at me. I'm just now like doing my hair, so I figured why not record. So I already used like the comb thingy to like part it out the way I need it, but now I'm just like flattening, running the flat iron through some parts of it and brushing it through. Yeah, making it as flat as possible. And I'm using a little bit of this hair wax to like get the flyaways, because flyaways can be the detriment of hair. Okay. Yeah, that's cute. That's cute. Okay, so I'm gonna do this side now and like get this done. Ooh. Guys, I'm so hot right now. Okay, I'm just gonna flatten this side. We're gonna go to TGI and Tack Bar, so that should be fun. I haven't been to the new TGI that opened, so I guess that's where I'm going. And then I have not been to Tack Bar either, so that should be fun. Hey, boo! I'm just trying to do this as quickly as possible. Trying to grab all the hairs. Make sure I ain't missing any. Think I got all of them? Okay. Just trying to tame the flyaways. Tame the flyaways. Wanna say hi to the vlog? She's like, nah. I'm shy. My sister's here with me, y'all. And she looks so bomb. But she doesn't want to talk right now. Oh, that's me. Ah, there she is! Period. So yeah. I'm not gonna carry you guys. I'm definitely not gonna carry you guys out tonight. But I will carry you out tomorrow. Because tonight is just calm vibes. And I don't want to bring my, you know. Yeah. I don't want to bring my camera in these places, so how I look? Great. Great. Okay guys, I'm done. I'll catch up with y'all later. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. It's a beautiful day in Kingston. And I'm gonna take you guys today. It was quite an experience, like checking in to this place, because let me go this way. Checking in was difficult because we didn't have the right keys, etc. But now we're back to a good start of the day, and yeah, we're gonna head out and get some breakfast type food. So come with us. My sister's here. Say hi. Hi. All right. I'll pick up the camera when I get to the place. Bye. Alright guys, so we got our patties. I got a shrimp patty and I got a curry goat one somewhere down in there. And we got some Welch's juices. And yeah, today's just a really pretty day. It's calm outside, not too much going on. And yeah, it's hot though. Like, it feels so hot today. So hot out. But we here. Yeah, I'm gonna take a bite with y'all and then I'm gonna eat and grub because I don't want to be cute on here pretending like I'm cute to eat. So this is the shrimp. Oh yeah, I hit the spot. Hey guys, so we just left Devon House and now we are going to Mimo. What's it called? Mimo? I think. We're getting the name. One moment. Mimo. Mimo. It is a boba tea Japanese place.
Actually, it's Mimimo.
Mimimo. Mimimo.
Yeah.
Mimo. I believe it's Japanese. I could be wrong. Don't quote me on it. I'm gonna do my research before I actually let you guys know. But let's go. Mimo. Okay, so we're at our next spot. This is Cafe Dulce and it is packed, y'all. Taste test. I went to the cutest bubble tea and pastry shop in Kingston called Mimo. I loved the ambiance, from the flowers to the colors. Just 10 out of 10 cute. It was really busy when I got there. Luckily, I was able to get my bubble tea. Don't remember the name of this one, but hopefully if you show them a picture, they'll be able to find it. I can say it was the right level of sweet and it had kind of like a honey drizzle to top it off. Delicious. So we are at this restaurant called Buzzo. I don't know if you guys can hear me. If not, I'll probably do a voiceover. But so far the ambiance is so nice. It's like really beautiful here.
Like the rest of us, sex, lies, and scandal never take a vacation. Instead, they take the Long Island Expressway and head east to the Hamptons. Some would say summer is their busiest season.
Happy birthday, dear Cassie. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Mr. I'm already choosing someone. You got the keyboard? Oh, you? Alright. How's you? Alright. So camera, everybody come around.
Very nice.
Yes, Mr. You have to stand up first.
This one.
Alright. So put your left hand on, Mr. Your left hand, your left.
Otherwise, she can't put her right hand on